Hi everybody, it's Laura. This is going to be a really short video today. I got my order from Leather Cord USA. I wanted to give them a try. I know Jody orders for cord from there. This is my first time from getting. Here's their card. That was in the thing. They have a lot of cord. They have flat. They have different colors and things and different sizes. I did order just a few different colors. And I will tell you, I was very pleasantly surprised by their prices. And let me get my personal information tucked away so that you can kind of see what the prices were. So I'm going to lay that off to the side here a little bit. So even with this shipping, which was $6, I spent $26, okay? Shipping was $6.20. So what I got was, I love 1mm cord because a lot of times I work with small beads, such as, let me get these over here, these, and a 1.5 and 2mm cord, like this is also 1mm, which is perfect size. But you can see I'm about out of it. I got this from Beadbox Bargains, and that's all I had left of the white. So they sell it in small lengths. They sell it in longer lengths. You can buy whole spools or whatever. So I got some different colors. And then after this, I also am going to show you some more what do you call it? Things that I picked up. Like I said, I'm not able to sit here for too long today. I'm going to have to go kind of lay back down. But I wanted to get this video made because I haven't made a video all weekend. So I ordered the white. It comes like this. I just pulled this one off because I want to put this inside of here, and I did not bring a pair of scissors in. So I ordered, and it comes in a 2-meter pack. So I'm just going to kind of tear this off right now and put that in there. And let me show you. I'm going to take this out. So there is the white. It is 1 meter. This is genuine cowhide leather. I really like it. And you know, I think this might be 1.5 millimeter. Yeah, this might be 1.5 millimeter. But again, like I said, I work with a lot of dainty beads. So I wanted some 1 millimeter, which I worked with before and I love working with it. And I want to work and make some smaller, more feminine bracelets and that kind of thing. So that's why I got just a few. So I got one in white. Where did I put them? And then I got this one in violet, which I love. I have some tiny little beads that I'm going to be working with. I'm just going to go ahead and leave them on the thing. I also got this one. It's called aquatin. It's kind of a sea foam. It's very, very pretty. And then I got this one, which is Mystic Pink. Look at that color. It is so pretty. And then I got 2 of this color, which is the, what they call petal. It's kind of a sandy color. Yeah, I really like this. Like I said, I have some small beads that I want to make bracelets with, and I need the smaller cord, the smaller leather. So there's that. And this is what I'm talking about. I have 2mm cord. It really washes out the little tinies. So I've got all these colors, but nothing pretty. I have this huge bulky red, brown, and other than a couple that came from like Beadbox Bargains, the rest of this came, or these came from BB Craft. The rest of this came from Beadbox Bargains. I have like quite a few colors left still. And I have that deep blue. But I do need to go and make some bigger orders with more with some bigger sizes, like 1.5mm also, so that I can spread out with, depending on what bead size, so that my leather actually fits my cord. Like I said, for the 2-meter packs, they were roughly $3.19. I didn't see any that were more, except for maybe the metallics might have been a little more. My order was $3.19 plus tax, and then it came to $26.13. I did get another order that finally came in, but that is for next month. But the lady that I get, I know you guys seen me unpackaging where I went to a lady that is local, not Tina, but another lady that has a big warehouse. I got the pendants. Well, you guys, she's selling out, and she's been posting stuff, and some of the stuff I really didn't want to spend that much money, because you had to buy everything in that group for like whatever monies. Well, this is a 12 pack. I paid $5. These are quartz. For those of you that may not have seen it, I opened one package to show my friend Vicky. We were talking when I picked these up. Let's see. Which way do these open? I know they open. So, I'm slowly, because, and it's partly right now because I've been so not feeling well and a lot of medical issues, I haven't been posting. So they come individually wrapped. I am at 1,800. I'm 200 away from my 2,000 goal. I do have a buildup of items for the giveaway, and there will actually be 2 baggies to give away when I make sure I'm at that 2,000 mark, and there will be some of these in each baggie. So there's 12 of these. It was $5 for the 12. And then these are moss agate. Find a little. And of course, there are various colors. These are on like a more of a copper tone. And again, I paid $5 a package. And there's 12 in each package. So I've had these for about a week. And then I got a strip of 12 of these. These are the rose quartz ones. Which, as you can see, have different variances of pinkness to the rose quartz. Some are lighter pink, some are more of a pinker pink. And they're very pretty. They all have the celestial signs on them. I do make, for vendor events, I do make a lot of necklaces that are just a pendant with a chain. And then this one, she kept saying they were fluoronite with an N. And I was like, that just doesn't sound right to me. But the paper does list them as fluorite, which is what I thought they were. But again, they have the purples to the grayish, which is kind of like fluorite has. But so this one is real pretty. Got that kind of purple going on. And I wish they were on the silver. You could see the purple better instead of the copper. This one's got some striations through it. They're all a little different. Again, like I said, like, you know, I couldn't pass them up. You could choose whichever ones you wanted. I did not get the tiger's eye. Here's some of the fluorite that have the more green. You know, it just depended on what they look like. So I was showing them to my friend Vicky. So there we go. So that was my little Facebook group purchase. I thought that was pretty cool to be able to get those for, you know, not much money. And when I make a purchase like that, it makes it easier for me to be able to sell items a lot cheaper than, you know, I can offer them at a cheaper discount because that's less than 50 cents a piece. And then adding a chain and adding a, you know, just a lobster clasp chain, that kind of thing. And then I can turn around and sell them for like $6, $7 and they'll go without, you know, hesitation. I did pick up some color shift paints. Those are the two colors I picked up. These were $5 a piece, guys. Holy mackerel. Yeah. So, I'm really excited about the leather and especially this pink and the kind of lilac-y purple and the sea. I just like the colors I picked. I didn't want to buy too many because 1 millimeter, you want your smaller bead. Those are mainly for my smaller beads because I have a lot of 2-hole beads. You've seen them in the May picks. That's what these are for. I'll be putting them together with you, but I gotta be able to sit in one spot long enough to be able to make that. You've seen me make those bracelets before, so it may not be a full 1.5 hour tutorial. I will probably start the tutorial with you, take a moment's break, and then stop the recording, sit where I can be comfortable, finish the piece, and then come back with you guys and finish it that way. Just so that I can, you know, not be in pain. But let me show you so that you have an idea. I have this stack right here next to me. So you have an idea where I'm going with the leather cord. It was these that I picked up and these. Okay, these are my May picks. They came in kind of late. And my leather. Okay, I have this, the foam, which would work up with both. But I really got this that kind of helps set that off. It'll also work with these. And the rose and the violet is for something else. But yes, so that's kind of coming up, guys. So get ready for the May picks videos to start back up, depending on where I'm at in the morning, if I'm going to come out and get this going. So, you know, just be mindful of the videos coming out. I'm sorry they're so sporadic, and I kind of have my cord kind of now messed up here, but you know, it's just how it is, and I'm sorry about that, but it'll be there. They're coming. So anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will talk to all of you guys down in the comments below. Bye guys.